Score 300 plus in your sociology optional. Meet Sandeep Reddy sir, a distinguished mentor with more than 7 years of teaching experience, here to guide you through the fascinating world of sociology. Imagine a subject that not only enriches your optional paper but seamlessly integrated with your GS paper 1, GS paper 2 and useful for your essay paper as well. Sandeep Reddy sir doesn't just teach, he mentors. With his carefully curated exam strategies, you will master the art of answer writing, a crucial skill for soaring above the competition. Our syllabus-oriented program ensures that you are not just covering the ground but mastering it. Enrich your UPSC journey with Sandeep Reddy sir's Sociology Optional at Ekam IAS Academy. Enroll today and embark on a transformative journey with Ekam IAS Academy. For registrations, you have to fill up the form given below or call us on the given number for detailed counseling. Thank you. All the best.